Here's how to cite a book using NoodleTools. The first thing that I'll do is log into NoodleTools and select my project. I'll go ahead and click Create Citation, our sources first. Then I'll select Create New Citation. I'm using the starter level, so if you're using the other two options, you'll probably see more choices. It asks, am I citing a database, a website, a print source, or a file or ebook? This is a print source. I can hold it in my hand. Is it a book, magazine, or reference source? It is a book. Most of this information I can find on my book. Looking at the cover, here's the cover of my page. And I can also find it on the title page and then some information on the copyright page. Both these pages are toward the beginning of your book. I'm going to go ahead and look at this information to answer my questions. So the first question that it wants is the contributor. This is most likely an author. Sometimes it's an editor. I will go ahead and click back to look at my book. And my author's name is Thomas Dreiskouth. So I will look at that, make sure that I spell his name correctly as well. The next thing it asks for is the title of the book. This is usually in the largest font on your page. So if I look, the title of my book is New Jersey. I make sure that I capitalize people's names and titles of books as well. Next question is the publisher, so I will click back. And sometimes you can find this on the title page. Other times you might have to go to the copyright page. I can find this on the title page. It says Lucent Books. And then it wants to know the publication year. I cannot find this on my title page, so I'll go ahead and look at my copyright page, and I can see that this was published in 2002. The publication city is often found on this page. Sometimes you can't find a publication city. If you can't, you just leave it blank. I am looking here, and I see San Diego. If you have several publication cities listed, use the first one that's listed. Next, it asks me for an annotation. If your teacher requests this, you can go ahead and complete this section. And then I will click Submit. If you look here, it tells me this is a book. Here's the author. Here's the title of the book. Here's the publication city. This is the publisher, and this is the date it was published. And I have cited a book.